Hey everybody, welcome to Room Brothers. This is going to be the next episode of the 𝗙𝗂𝗊𝗍𝗂 project, and this video is about how to maintain the tank fairings and shroudings of your motorcycle. Doesn't matter if you have a 100cc or all the way up to a 1000cc motorcycle. All your KTMs, Royal Enfields, Hondas, Yamahas, Triumphs, any motorcycle nowadays always comes with these tank shrouds and fairings, and it's very important to maintain them in order to maintain the look of the motorcycle. So don't skip this video, especially the 𝗙𝗂𝗊𝗍𝗂 series, because this is going to be very informative for all of you guys who ride motorcycles. Doesn't matter the cc, and for your motorcycle to look nice and shiny, you need these shiny bits and pieces to be in pristine condition. And the reason for me to make such episodes is how to maintain the motorcycle in the comfort of your home. Because let me tell you the fact, no amount of showroom is going to take care of your motorcycle the way that you're gonna take care of your motorcycle. We used to have this beautiful culture in the olden days, in the 1800s and 1900s, where we used to ride our own motorcycles or cars, come back home, show them the love and maintenance that they needed. But seems like nowadays this culture is almost extinct, and I want to bring it back, and that's why such episodes. So as this is a 7-year-old motorcycle, when I had a closer look at it, I can definitely tell that this motorcycle has seen its better days because of years of accumulation of dirt, mud, and going through harsh conditions. I can show you the closer look where you can see the stickers are peeling off. It has collected a lot of dirt and muck. So this definitely needs some proper love and care. So sit back and relax on your couch, have a cup of coffee or your favorite popcorn, and enjoy this episode. So let's start it. So let me show you the closer look of these panels before we start the process. Now, as you have seen their condition, this episode is going to be taking care of these panels and bringing them to their former glory and showing them the love that they deserve. Now let's hop on to the fairings of the motorcycle and begin to address their issues. The shine is a bit faded, the decals look tired, swirl marks all over the body, and they definitely do need some attention. So let's show them the love and care that they truly deserve. Let's replace the decals with the new ones. And as I said before, the key to a good looking motorcycle is to keep the shiny bits and pieces in well maintained condition. I'm sure a lot of you guys are like me who pay attention to minute details when it comes to their machines. The fundamental thing when it comes to restoration and customization projects is to address each aspect of your motorcycle or car, and that's why it takes a bit of time. So you ASMR fans out there, this one is for you guys. Enjoy. Time for some TLC and some elbow grease. When you work on your motorcycle fairings, be gentle while dismantling as there are delicate bits and pieces. The last thing that you want is something to be broken and you end up buying the whole assembly of the fairing. And that's costly. You don't want that. Look at the condition of the inside of the fairings. These are filled with a lot of dust and muck, so we definitely need to clean them. Let's begin to clean all these parts. Looks nice and refreshing, and in the next episode we're gonna polish all these panels. and that's going to be an interesting one. So I'll see you guys soon. Peace.